Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some long to short hair transformations. So here we have someone DIYing their own hair. Wow, that came out absolutely gorgeous. And then we see someone going from shoulder length hair to this brilliant bob style. So pretty. Next up, we have this stylist cutting someone's hair into a pixie cut. So he's using a razor to do the cutting, very choppy. So he's creating a lot of texture by his cutting method that he's using. And then he's going in with the scissors to clean up some of the lines. Back again with the razor. Wow, beautiful pixie bob style. Very nicely done. Love the shape and texture that he created within the cutting. This is absolutely gorgeous. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. She decided to switch things up with this gorgeous bob style. Very nice. And then we have someone else with mid-length hair. Wow. Oh wow, she looks amazing. We're rocking the blonde buzz cut. Beautifully done and definitely a shocking transformation. And then we have someone with long waist length hair. And she ends up getting a nice shoulder length bob. Beautiful. So here we have someone with some mid-length hair. Looks like her hair is kind of damaged from the color towards the ends. So the stylist cuts the hair into a bob. Very nice, and her hair looks so much healthier and fuller. Beautifully done. It also has more of a shine to it as well. So here we have someone with long mid-back length hair. There she is sitting in the salon chair, and bam, beautiful hair change. So we have a very nice pixie bob haircut here. Gorgeous. I love how this frames her face. This is perfect for her. She does have a round face and this just frames it perfectly. Very nicely done. So here we have someone with a bob. So we got two guys shaving off the hair. Getting some color. Wow, very nice bright blonde. I love it. And then we move on to someone who has mid-length hair. Wow, beautiful bob makeover. Absolutely stunning. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hair transformations with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.